Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is on Amazon. You will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. Quiet cooling for small to medium rooms. This 8000 BTU window air conditioner efficiently cools up to 350 square, featuring while saving you money thanks to its Energy Star rating at 52 decibels. This unit is among the quietest in the industry, making it ideal for bedrooms and other small to medium-sized rooms. Smart voice control with Alexa and Google. This Wi-Fi enabled, smart through-the-wall air conditioner pairs easily with both Amazon Alexa, through the Smart Life skill, and Google Home, by enabling Smart Life in the Home Control section. Additional Wi-Fi controls via the He Smart app on your smartphone or tablet supplement these voice controls. Programmable timer and sleep mode. Integrated 24-hour timer can be set via onboard controls or remote control. Intelligent sleep mode takes it one step further by slowly adjusting the temperature and fan speed to keep you comfortable overnight while saving you energy and money. Exclusive 1 to 2-5 warranty. Your Emerson Quiet Cool Wi-Fi enabled air conditioner comes with an industry-exclusive 1 to 5 warranty that covers 1 year of labor, 2 years of parts, and 5 years on the compressor. Buy and use with confidence. Split air exhaust vents. 2 air exhaust vents instead of 1. Combine with 3 fan speeds to give you 8-way flexibility to direct the flow of cold air where you want it when you want it. See more product details. The number 3 on the list is choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Ultra powerful cooling. The ProBreeze air conditioner has a mighty 10,000 BTU cooling capacity which provides cooling down to 61 degrees Fahrenheit across 300 square feet. Ideal for large homes, living rooms, bedrooms and offices. This high-powered portable AC unit will keep you cool and comfortable all year round. Smart home Wi-Fi control. Our Wi-Fi air conditioner is compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Home for iPhone and Android. Connect your smartphone to our room air conditioners and control the temperature, timer and various other functions through the Smart Life app or personal voice command. Alternatively, take control using the intuitive LED display and wireless remote control. Super efficient. This portable AC unit for bedroom boasts a 6.6 CEER energy efficiency rating to ensure that blowing cold air in the sweltering summer heat is energy efficient and cost-effective. It also utilizes an R410A refrigerant, which is a greener refrigerant that causes no ozone depletion, 0 ODP, and has a lower environmental impact than other refrigerants. 4-in-1 functionality. This portable AC air conditioner unit features 4 multi-purpose operating modes including air cooling, dehumidifying, fan only and sleep mode, making it the perfect indoor air conditioner for any home, office or dorm. Window kits included. Our 10,000 BTU window air conditioner has included 2 easy-to-install window venting kits. Use our step-by-step instructions to fit the AC unit to either slide or hinged windows. Its compact design and 4 wheels lets you use the AC on any window in your home with minimal intrusion. The number 2 on the list is many positives. Reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. GE Energy Star 8000 BTU Smart Window Air Conditioner, designed to efficiently cool rooms up to 350 square ft. Easy install kit included so you can start cooling right away. Controller type: remote control, voice control, app control. Maximum comfort for medium rooms. This AC unit is the right size for delivering quiet 8,000 BTU cooling capacity to medium-sized areas like living rooms and family rooms. Energy Star certified for lower energy use and utility bills. Smart, easy operation. Integration with the Smart HQ app allows you to monitor, schedule, and control your smart AC unit from anywhere, while compatibility with your favorite devices like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant makes everyday use easier and more versatile than ever. Or you can use the included remote control. Eco Mode saves energy. When the room is cool enough, Eco Mode automatically turns off the fan and compressor, saving you money on utilities. Energy efficient with 3 cooling modes and 3 fan speeds to provide flexible and optimal room temperature. Easy installation and cleaning. This AC has a fixed chassis and installs easily in a double-hung window. Size: W24.5 to 36, XH 13.375. With included EZ mount installation kit. Slide out, washable filter makes cleaning a breeze to keep your unit running its best when cleaned every 30 days. See more product details. The number 1 on the list is. This product comes with premium quality and affordable price. SMARTCOOL, the MyDear Portable Air Conditioner. ASHRAE rating 10.000 BTU. 5,800 BTU 2017 SACC standard. Delivers fast, effective cooling for spaces up to 200 square ft, while simultaneously providing fan and dehumidification functions in any home, bedroom, office or cabin, creating a relaxing and comfortable environment. Wi-Fi enabled and voice control. Control your portable AC from anywhere using our smartphone app. Switch modes, set a schedule, and more. Pairing your AC with Alexa or with Google Assistant. The unit will respond to voice commands, keeping your home cool and comfortable. Effortless operation. Enjoy the simplicity and comfort of digital controls. The portable AC features an easy-to-read LED display and includes a compact remote control. Batteries included to easily set the time, temperature, and mode from across the room. Its 24-hour adjustable timer can cool a room to a temperature between 62 F 90 F and has 3 modes to choose from: cooling, dehumidification, fan only. Easy installation. Roll your air conditioner to the preferred cooling area. Attach the 5-feet hose and adjustable window brackets. Fits openings from 26 5 to 48. Turn the unit on and let your cooling begin. An exhaust hose and window kit are included. No extra tools are needed for assembly. Installation instructions are simple and can be done by anyone. Washable air filter. To provide clean, cool air, we designed a removable and reusable air filter to protect your family and living space from dust and pet hairs. We recommend you clean the filter every week of operation in order to extend the life and performance of this unit. See more product details.